Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Getting an infected belly button piercing can really be a downer. It's painful, annoying, and can even be a bit scary if you're not sure what to do. But hang tight, because I'm here to help you out. We'll go through everything step by step so you can handle it like a pro. In this video, I'll walk you through spotting signs of infection, treating it at home, and knowing when to see a doctor. It's all about taking the right steps at the right time. So, let's dive right in. First up, how do you know it's infected? Look out for redness, swelling, pus, and that annoying increased pain. These are the classic signs that something's not right. If you see any of these, it's time to act fast. The sooner you start treating it, the better. Now, if it's a mild infection, you can usually handle it at home. No need to panic. Clean the area with a saline solution about 2-3 times a day. This helps to keep the area clean and free from bacteria. Gentle antiseptics and over-the-counter creams can also help. Just make sure to follow the instructions on the packaging. But if things get worse, like more pain, you develop a fever, or can't move the area easily, don't wait. These are signs that the infection might be getting serious. Go see a doctor. It's always better to be safe and get professional advice. To keep infections from coming back, good hygiene is your best friend. Always wash your hands before touching your piercing. Avoid harsh chemicals and stick to loose clothing. Tight clothes can irritate the piercing and make things worse. Proper aftercare is key to a happy, healthy piercing. Follow the aftercare routine religiously, and you'll be just fine. So there you have it. Follow these tips, and you'll be rocking that belly button piercing in no time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And remember to like and subscribe for more tips. Catch you later.